What's up everybody, welcome back to my kitchen where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test 8 kitchen gadgets. Let's see what I got today. For this gadget I got here cake cutter. Let's see how it works. So what you do, grab yourself a cake, and then what we're going to do is, let's say you need like only this much. I like big pieces of slices of cakes. You're going to go through all the way, boom, and then what you do is press this right here, and let me show you what happens. Boom, and then you can lift it up easily. If I put it, show you on the bottom of it, you see it's holding, so that way it's not gonna fall off. And then you got yourself a plate, let go of this part, and boom, you see it falls off. Amazing. Missed the plate a little bit, but it's my fault. Let's try another slice. This gadget a little bit too big for the cake, but I guess you can just do smaller slices like this. And then I can go like this, boom, and lift up the whole slice. How cool is that? And then you got yourself a smaller slice. If you let go of this part, it lets go of a piece of cake. Pretty awesome. And let's do it one more time. You need a slice of cake, go like this, cut it, and then you see I press this part. And it goes under the cake, and now I can hold the cake, slice of a cake, and not worry about it to fall out. Then you let go this part, boom, and now the slice releases into the plate. Wow, that gadget actually works so well. I love that. Usually serving cake with a knife is so annoying. That makes it a lot easier. So I got here egg separator right here, looks like a little plastic piece. Let's see if it actually works. You put it on a bowl, crack an egg, boom. Let's say I need 3 eggs. I'm gonna crack them all at once and put them down here. And one more. I guess I need to shake it up and down, so that way all the egg whites come off of it. Look at that, it actually works pretty good. Oh no, one yolk went through. Maybe I was going a little bit too hard about it. So 2 out of 3, not bad. Okay, let's start it one more time. This time I won't go crazy at it. I actually gonna go slow. Just going to put 2 this time. Probably works the best with 2 anyways. And then you wanna go up and down like this. Whoa, look at that. And all the egg whites coming off. You just roll it like this. I can see a little bit piece of egg white stayed in there. Okay, finally came off. If you need only egg whites, you got here egg whites. And if you need only egg yolks, you got right here egg yolks. How cool is that? Honestly, this is my favorite egg separator because you can separate multiple eggs at once. Okay, let's see if we can separate another egg on top of those other egg yolks. Wow, look at it. It's right away goes in. And then you just roll it, and all that egg white's supposed to go through. That's it. Wow, this egg is so much more orange. And boom, look at that. We separated 3 eggs at once. How cool is that? Definitely a thumbs up for me. This is probably the best egg separator. So simple, but works so good. For the next gadget, I got here cabinet storage organizer. Let's say you have all these different spices are sitting in your cabinet, and if you're looking up to them, you don't see what's in the back of them because they're blocking, especially on the higher cabinets. Well, you put this thing in the cabinet and then put all of them inside there. So then when you open the cabinet, you see these 2 front ones easily. And then you just spin it, okay, which one do I need? And that way you don't have to lift one up, or that's not what I need, that's not what I need, that's not what I need. Especially when they're up high in the cabinet and you cannot see behind the front ones. Something like that, if they're up high. So all you have to do is just keep spinning it. And that way, oh, this is what I need. Okay, what else? Keep spinning it. Oh, that's it, another one. And easy to put it away. I love this design. Let me show you how it works. It has two wheels on it like this. And I guess, whoa, look at that. There's a couple gears inside of them. I guess when you spin one, it just, that board pushing it away to the next one. Especially when you have 2 or 3, you see how it works? It's just pushing it forward. For the next gadget, this is egg piercer, and it's supposed to help to peel the eggs and also prevents it from cracking while it's boiling. So let's see how it works. Okay. And boom, we punch a hole in there. Okay, let's do 3 eggs and then try to boil them. We'll see if it's actually going to help from cracking. Okay, we have here 3 eggs with a hole and 3 eggs without a hole. We're gonna boil them at the same time and we'll see if there's any difference of peeling them or if they're going to crack while they boil. Okay, let's see which one is going to be easier to peel. This one had a hole. You can really tell. This one had a hole and this one had a hole. Okay, first of all, we're going to peel it without a hole. And boom, let's see what happens. You know what? If you put it in a cold water, it actually still very easy to peel it. Even the one without holes. Okay, this one has a hole. Let's see if it's going to be easier to peel it. You know what? Same. Oh, actually broke off a piece on top. But honestly, I don't see much difference. It's pretty much the same. Start one more time. Without a hole, I break it like that. Let's see. The whole egg coming off very easily. As long as you put it in really cold water right after it, you don't have to worry about much. And boom, with the hole, came off even easier. Once again, without the hole, comes off very easily. You know what? The best way to do it, you don't even need that little gadget. Just put it inside of the cold water right after it's time to take him off from the boiled water. Just like this, and then it should come off very easily. Like that. Boom. So I don't know if that egg piercer did much. And for the next gadget, it's a pickle fork. Let's see what it's all about. What you're supposed to do is just put it on a jar like that. Oh no! No way, did it just broke so simply? I cannot believe it. Man, what am I gonna do now? Maybe just grab a rubber band or something? So take off this thing. I can't believe how easy it was to break it. It's okay, substitution. We're going to grab a rubber band right here. Wow, it's almost like a DIY gadget. So we open this up and we got ourselves a fork. Especially when it's not full, it's hard to grab one. You grab it, put it back in and close it. You know what? Pretty awesome. I like this gadget a lot. Except it was a little bit more durable. This is a pretty recent one. At least I just found it. Boom. Check this out. This is actually kind of funny. Right now it's a lemon juicer. And it also looks like a little, like a watering plant. Whatever canister you call. All we have to do is cut a lemon. And let's see how well it's going to juice it. Obviously it's going to juice it well because look, that juicer is awesome. And also it's catching the seeds. Wow, that's a lot of seeds that came out. Then you can flip it over again. And then if you need some lemon, you can just pour it like that. I don't know what for. Maybe in your tea or whatever, but that looked just funny. I like a little bit lemon of my tea. Let's see. Ooh, wow, that might be a lot. That looks actually really cool. For the next gadget, I got here boiling egg yolk shaper. How does it even possible? Let's check it out. Okay, if we take one out, cool. Check this out. There's a star, a heart, and 2 more right here, a flower and whatever that is. First of all, we need to separate egg whites and yolks. So we're gonna go carefully about it. We don't wanna drop a yolk. Just like this. Boom. Come on, there you go. And egg yolk into here. Now what I have to do is mix it all up. We will take off these parts and then put them inside there. Like about this much. After we put yolks in there, then we're going to close them like this, with these foams in there. And then you're going to fill it up with water, a pot, and just lay it like that. It should float. And then we're going to boil it for 15 minutes. Then you got yolks and you want to mix them up as well like this. Okay, after 15 minutes, you can open them up. And this is not look like a star. This one have not been done. Because this one had a little bit extra yolk. But this is what it's going to look like. Boom, right here is a heart. And this one is a flower. So then we're going to put egg yolk in there, just like this, all the way to the top. And this one should make a flower. And then put it back on a boil. 8 minutes later, let's see what we got. Let's try to push them out. Oh man. Then you lay them like this and then you can cut them. And it's supposed to make it beautiful flower on this one. I have only a couple worked out. I think I should have put maybe some kind of vegetable oil in there. And then it would have been all of them worked out much better. But as you can see, it does work. If you figure out how to use it, look how cool that is. Wait, what? This is supposed to be a heart. So as you can see, the flower turned out to be the best. The other ones are not so much, but I think it's possible to make it really beautiful. So if you wanna surprise your kids with the different shape yolks, that's a cool gadget. Just perfect it, learn how to use it, and it will be awesome. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time.